Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Sarler MetaQuest 2 Head Strap Kit, designed to elevate your VR experience. As avid MetaQuest 2 players ourselves, we understand the importance of accessories like replacement headbands and portable storage cases. Sarler brings us a cost-effective package that combines essential accessories for enhanced comfort and support in VR. Let's talk durability. The reinforced side strap is crafted from upgraded eco-friendly polymer material, ensuring it can withstand over 100,000 bends without breaking a sweat. You can game with peace of mind, knowing your head strap can handle the rigors of intense VR sessions. Now, onto stability. The multiple gravity balance and stable design of the Oculus 2 head strap are impressive. With a 360 degrees front headgear that increases the forehead force area and a top headband that adjusts to distribute gravity evenly, wearing the headset feels secure and comfortable. Say goodbye to pressure points and fatigue. Comfort is key during extended VR sessions, and Sarler delivers with removable thickening pads. The thickened sponge and PU leather construction provide a perfect fit for your skin while improving overall comfort. Plus, the removable design makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring your VR setup stays fresh and hygienic. Installation couldn't be easier with the damped plug-in design. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, attaching and removing the head strap is a straightforward process. It's user-friendly for all ages, from the elderly to children. In summary, the Sarler MetaQuest 2 Head Strap Kit offers a comprehensive solution for VR enthusiasts seeking enhanced comfort and support. With its durable construction, stable design, and focus on comfort, it's a must-have accessory for any MetaQuest 2 player. Elevate your VR experience with Sarler. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.